Hi guys, Jeremy here, and today I'm going to show you how to automate DM sending on Instagram using GoHighLevel. But before we dive into the details, I've got a special offer for you. Normally, if you go through GoHighLevel's website, you're going to get a 14-day free trial. However, with my link in the description below, you're going to receive a 30-day free trial, and on top of that, as a big thank you, I'm also giving you access to my full course, GoHighLevel Jumpstart, which is going to walk you through setting up and launching your business within those first 30 days. Now, GoHighLevel offers many features and it's pretty easy to get lost. So in my course, I highlight the most important aspects to focus on, helping you start making money using GoHighLevel in those initial 30 days. Additionally, you're going to receive my top-notch high-quality templates for free, including the Business Hub template for managing your business and the Finance Hub for tracking your finances, among others. Now, those are worth over $900, but you're going to get all of that for free as a thank you for using my affiliate link in the description below. Just simply click the first link to find all of the details about these offers and how to claim them. It's just my way of saying thank you for supporting the channel. Now let's dive in. All right, so the first thing that you need to do is connect your Instagram account to GoHighLevel. So make sure you're on the sub account. Once you're there, go to the bottom of the menu on the left and click on the Settings tab. After that, you'll be taken to your sub account settings. It's simple and easy to follow from there. Within the Settings menu, just click on the Integrations. Now, this will take you straight to the Integrations page. And from there, you'll see a bunch of platforms that you can connect to your sub account. To integrate Instagram, click on the Connect button below the Instagram logo. Now this is going to take you to a new tab where you're going to need to give GoHighLevel permission to access your Instagram account. Now once you've allowed the access, you're all set to start automating your Instagram DMs using your GoHighLevel account. So once you've connected your Instagram account, the next step is setting up a workflow to send automated DMs. So to do this, you're going to go to the Automation tab on the left menu. Now this will take you to the Workflow list page where you can see and manage any workflows that you already have. For automated Instagram DMs, creating a new workflow is important. So click the Create Workflow button to get started. You'll see two options, select a recipe or start from scratch. Now for this demo, we will choose the recipe option to use a pre-built template. Then when you're on the templates page, look for the Instagram comment automation recipe. Once you find it, go ahead and click on the select button under the recipe. After you select the Instagram comment automation recipe, you'll be taken to the GoHighLevel workflow builder. Now here you can customize everything. So you can rename your workflow, customize the steps that are already there, and even add new actions or triggers to make it work just the way you want. So to customize an existing trigger or action, click on it and the right sidebar will open up. From there, you can easily change the details to fit your needs. Now, if you want to add a new trigger, go ahead and click on the Add New Trigger option. Then select the trigger that you want from the right sidebar. Similarly, to add a new action, go ahead and click on the plus button and pick the action that you need from the right sidebar. But for now, we're not going to customize it. Instead, let me explain how this workflow works. So first off, we have the Instagram comments on a post trigger. Now, this trigger gets things started whenever someone leaves a comment on one of your Instagram posts. For example, if someone comments, "I love this product" on your latest post, the workflow kicks in right away and starts the automated actions that follow. Following the trigger, the next step is respond on comment. This means that your Instagram account will automatically reply to the user's comment on your post. For example, it could reply with something like, "Thank you for your comment. Check your DMs for more details." Now, this makes it easy to connect with users quickly and it shows them that you're active and paying attention. After the comment reply, the workflow moves to the Instagram interactive messenger action. Now, this part sends a direct message straight to the commenter's Instagram inbox. The DM can include buttons or links to help users take specific actions like visiting your website, downloading a resource, or grabbing a special offer. For example, the message could say, "Hey, thanks for commenting. Click below to claim your special discount." Now, this gives users a simple way to interact more with your business. Within this interactive messenger, there are paths that depend on what the user does. For example, one path is called the default timeout. Now this kicks in when a user doesn't reply or take any action within a set period of time. Another path is labeled visit our website. Now this happens when a user taps a button or link that takes them straight to your site. For example, if you're promoting a new product, users who choose this option are taken directly to your product page. The third interactive path is titled Get the Checklist, designed for users who want a specific resource like a downloadable PDF checklist or guide. When someone selects this option, the system immediately sends them the promised resource through another Instagram interactive messenger step. Finally, if someone doesn't take any action after choosing Get the Checklist, the workflow moves to the default timeout step. This way, everything wraps up neatly, keeping your automation clear and organized. Through these clear steps, your Instagram comment automation makes it easy to connect with your audience. It helps you respond fast to what they say, guiding them to helpful resources on your website. So that's it for this video. I hope this video helped you understand how to automate your Instagram DMs using GoHighLevel. Now, if you want to try GoHighLevel, go ahead and click the link in the description below. If you use my affiliate link, you're going to receive a 30-day free trial instead of the usual 14 days. Plus, you're going to gain access to my GoHighLevel Jumpstart course, where I'm going to walk you through everything that you need to know to set up and launch your business successfully within those first 30 days. On top of that, you're going to receive over $900 worth of premium Notion templates, all for free. Just click the link below to get started and claim your bonuses.